So after many hours of pretzels and soda on a plane, you're probably pretty hungry. And if you're coming into Los Angeles via LAX, you should consider engaging in a very California experience, and it's only minutes from the airport. The In-N-Out Burger number 117 on Sepulveda Boulevard at the northeast corner of LAX is also a great place to watch planes land, and you could do so up close. So this is like a nerd's equivalent to a dinner and a show. You can get food and you can watch these planes land. And it's just minutes from the airport. As I mentioned, by Lyft it's only about $5. But the taxi is going to be a little bit more, as I found out. But if you scoot in on the In-N-Out, you can see what it looks like. It's a fairly efficient restaurant operation. And one thing you'll note, too, is that the cars that are in the takeout line are all kind of blurred. So as a satellite image was taken, that line was moving. It's a very efficient operation. And you're going to get good food there. You're going to get it quick, and you're going to get it fast, and it's going to be hot, too. So typically I kind of hang out at that picnic area in the back of the restaurant, and I take videos over that billboard. It just happens to be there in a way. And it's easy to get in and out of the In-N-Out Burger because a lot of these cars inside over here are Lyft and Uber drivers waiting for their next gig. So if you come down to the street level here, you can actually see the orientation of where these planes are going to come in. Actually, come in right over that billboard, as you see in some of the clips that are coming up.